guys, welcome back to Ariana Nail Tap. Today we'll be showing you how to make a fresh, homemade, and yummy buko salad. Since it's summer, it's better to make it because it's very hot. So the main ingredient that you're going to need is some fresh coconut.
Yum.
Some fresh yummy coconut that is cut like this. Some condensada, any brand, and it's about 200 ml. Some fruit cocktail, about 822 grams to make it flavorful, and some sweet palm nut and syrup or cacao. Any brand, also about 340 grams.
You'll also need Nestle all-purpose cream, which is 250 ml, 2 of these. Then you'll need 2 Alaska sweetened condensed milk. The other one is there. So
It's time to pour all the ingredients. Next, it's time to put in the fruit cocktail, but make sure to drain the juice. Oh, only a little bit. Then what's the white thing? Let's put in the drain cow. Also, make sure to drain it in. We don't really need the syrup. And now the coating syrup. It looks yummy.
And the next one.
Did Mary say something? Coating soda. Pour it.
It looks really sweet.
And it looks really yummy.
Okay.
So we mix.
Last but not least, we add the all-purpose cream.
After you're done placing all the ingredients, it's time to mix it.
Okay, mix it.
Me too.
Okay then. I'll mix it. Could you try to taste it?
No, wait.
Okay then.
Okay, say something.
It tastes very sweet. And the coconut looks kind of like noodles.
It's like white spaghetti.
It's a little bit white with a little bit of red and yellow. Mix it faster. So now that you see that the buko salad is mixed, you can see that the cacao or the sweet syrup and the tropical fruits are mixed together. You can see that the red is a cacao, some other reds are some cherries, and the orange is, I think, papaya, and the yellow is the pineapple. Now it's time to taste. You need to taste it just to see if it's
Too
good.
sweet or not sweet enough.
Yes. So now that you're done with the solution, it's time to taste if it's too sweet or right enough. For me, it tastes pretty good.
Tastes
Yummy.
sweet and creamy. Now, once we finish mixing, we need to place it in the freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours. And then once it's finished freezing, you can now enjoy it as a frozen buko salad.
Thanks for looking at our video, and please subscribe and like. Bye-bye.
It did.